It's Thursday, May 11th, 2023, 2:06 p.m. in China Eastern Time. And today I'm going to be day trading the AUDJPY pair. There's just a few things that I want to just put in place. I'm just coming back after a little break. Took a little trip to Thailand last week, and I was just trying to just clear my mind. I was doing a lot of intensive studying and hard work, 10-hour plus days, and just refining my approach to the markets. I've learned how to read price action, and I'm getting better at it. And so hopefully this video, y'all can take some insight off of what I've learned. We are currently undergoing a possible reversal to the downside. I'm gonna look for a short, and if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna just take the loss and call it a day. But as we can see right now, we have a potential drop to the downside. I consider this a false breakout north because before, price was congested in a little range. We try to break out of that to higher highs for the day, and that just did not want to work, and price did reverse. And there was an attempt right here to go long, but as you can see, it was a bull trap and a reversal back to the downside. So now I'm looking at a possible short within this range, and I gotta wait for a pullback, of course. So this trade was not successful if I wanted to take that long up there, and that was just a red flag. And then there was a second chance opportunity down here in which that was not successful as well. So at this moment, I'm looking for a possible pullback continuation to the downside. I'm no longer looking for buys. Of course, if price does break the highs of what is this, 91.045, we may continue to go northbound, but we are going to be in a bigger, larger range. We kind of currently are in like a lot of congestion, so I need to see price follow through. I would like to see a nice low pullback. If it goes too far on outside of this range, I'm not too interested in the trade. So, if it does reverse and pull back too deep, I won't take that short, just because it could be anything happening. But also, I'm not bullish anymore. I just want to see price kind of start coming back down. You see how it kind of pushed down and it's reversing. So I'm going to set an alert, and I'm going to look for this area right here to be broken. But if it does get broken, I don't want to take a short, just because there's not really enough room at the end of the range for me to really profit off of. So I would like to just a small pullback and get in with a good reward to risk ratio. I could possibly take this trade on down at that point about 10 plus pips. I would actually aim to take these lows on out, so we could have a nice drop. If you're looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that price is on an overall downtrend on this time frame, and we could possibly be experiencing a new lows of the week. Taking a look at these lows right here, this could be taken out, and if that's the case, that's 49 pips from the current highs that we're experiencing. The average daily range on this pair is about 108 pips. So at that point, I may look to carry this trade on throughout the day. So I'm gonna set a swing for the day, so intraday swing, and I look to possibly continue this trade for the remainder of the day to the downside, as the average range is about 108 pips, and we would be on a nice downtrend continuation at that point. So there's a few things that I'm waiting for, and right now we're currently just experiencing that move. Like I said, we could just pop on down below here, and that might be a valid sell, but I'm gonna just take that very lightly. Like, I don't really, wouldn't really want to get in right there. I'd rather just kind of get in off of another rejection off this low. Maybe price can go up a little bit higher, but we are actually at a good point. The general size of this trend right here, this lasted about 15 pips. we have enough momentum going to the downside. This is all just relative. This all boils down to my own preference. So I'm just gonna wait. I'd like to see just a little pullback, and then I'll be able to get in on this trade. I don't want to jump straight in because, of course, I could do that, but my stop loss on this is gonna have to be, 18 pips, and then I'd have to go for less than 1-to-1 reward to risk trade, and that's not good. So give this about 3 minutes until the end of this 5-minute bar, and I may be able to take that trade. And like I said, I do project this to go on down to daily lows, and then moving on forward, we could expand this downtrend. And the size of this downtrend was pretty large. You can see that it kind of started around here, about 95 pips. So that would be perfect for a continuation trade south. So I'm just gonna wait, and I'm gonna update y'all very shortly. I might be able to take this trade sooner than I think. I'm just gonna wait and yeah, follow up. Just taking that short as I got triggered in. Gonna be taking this on a stop loss. This is about 6.1, 2 pips above the high, 8.2-ish. What does it say? 8.6. That's plenty. And so I'm gonna have an 8.6 pip stop loss. We are undergoing a possible trend reversal, and I'm already in this trade. I want to take it on down at least 1.5 R, but I believe that this could go lower. I'm gonna take this down to about 18 pips, so about 2.5 R is the low of the day. And we can see that if price does continue, we do have a high probability of further price action to the downside. So I'm gonna follow up with you all shortly. I just want to do it's step by step at a time. If I am wrong, I'm just gonna admit myself being wrong, and then I would be done trading for today because I got other things to do. So I'm officially in the sell. I'm in the trade, as you can see. Sell is open, and profit target and stop loss is placed. So now I'm just gonna wait, and I'll follow with y'all shortly. So I am back, and we can see prices approaching its profit target beautifully. And I'm gonna collect this. It's gonna be quick gains. You can see it's 134 USD. I'm gonna bring my trailing stop down to break even now, because if anything goes against me, against this position, I'm gonna trail it very aggressively. So I'm gonna use an aggressive trailing stop for this to collect at least 1 R. Less than 1 R right now, but as you can see, we are breaking down these lows, and profit target is being hit. I'm actually gonna trail this extremely aggressively now, as this is the 5-minute bar. So I do suspect price to continue just a little bit lower. But here's my 2-to-1. I'm currently sitting at right now. We can see that we're at 12 pips. I had a 7 pip stop loss, so I do need to see that 14 pips hit, and that would be 2-to-1, and then I'm going to trail extremely aggressively at that point. We do see that daily lows are being broken, so I'm just going to wait after this to see if it's strong enough. But there's about 2 minutes left in this 5-minute bar. I could take this 2-to-1, but I would like to just wait a little bit longer. Like I said, daily lows are being broken, and just want to take it slightly below these daily lows, just by like 1 or 2 pips. So let's see what happens. We got about a couple pips, so I'm gonna close out this trade right now. I'm gonna market execution, and in front of y'all, here we go. Bang. See if it wants to wick down just a little bit more. I'm just seeing what in real time what price is doing. If it does reverse back into that daily range, I'm gonna close out even sooner. So I could do aggressive right here. And this is what happens when you reprice action. You can be right, precision, right to the T. So here we go. Pretty much I'm done for the day. I reached over 2-to-1, and I'm pretty satisfied with this. It's starting to pull back just a little bit, and I don't like that. Bang, bang. Trade is closed out. Trade is complete. And I hope y'all got some insight from this. I'm gonna upload another video, part 2 of this shortly, if I do see further confirmation to the downside, but I'm gonna be kind of busy today. I have a lot of work to do outside of this day trading. I'm currently, like I said, I'm currently focused on my overall just my overall ability to train and fine tune things and be as precise in my trading as what you just seen. So I got some work to do outside of this. I gotta study. I got some books to read, and I gotta train on the content that I've been getting coached on. And yeah, I'll be back with some more explosive trading opportunities. Just know that this is the next level of trading for me. I said playtime is over. It's time to really get down to the business and understand the entire market as much as I can. This is just my phase in my life, part of my journey where you start to put things together. Sometimes you don't really know your direction, and sometimes you might even have some obstacles you might come across, but don't let that discourage you from going on. Sometimes you got to take a few steps back, step away from everything that's kind of going on, and kind of manage and micromanage your life in different scenarios across the board. But that's what I've been doing. So those of you that were wondering where I've been in the lab. I've been busy in the office, putting in the work. Ain't nothing crazy going on in my life. Just been putting in the work. And I'm tired of seeing all this Instagram. People on IG are copying my account pictures and trying to pretend to be me. I'm tired of the impersonations. To be honest, I didn't care at first, but it's like, these people are just fake. And then there's marketers that aren't even trading, and that type of stuff, it held me back in my journey. So I don't want it to hold y'all back. So if you're watching this video, just continue watching my content, because I do show the truth. I show my entire journey. It's transparent. And I just want everybody to eat as well. I believe in giving back. So people that showed me the way, that continue to inspire me on the right path and do the right habits, they aspire me to become great, just like how they became great. So I'm going to continue to show y'all greatness. I'm going to continue to show y'all movement. I do believe price could continue on back down, but like I said, I got to do my reading, I got to do my research, and I got to do my focus. So maybe there'll be a part 2, maybe not, but I just want to end the video with that message. We're entering a new phase, a new astral alignment in life, and we're going to really see who's really going to come out of the darkness, who's really going to come out on top. And those of you that's been training all these times, maybe it's your time soon, but keep it up, keep working, because over time we're gonna see who's really real and who's really just bluffing. So have a great day, y'all. And yeah, my Instagram is @ForexMaster. Any other name is fake. And then my Instagram is @ForexMaster, and I also have one that's called Forexcapitalmanagement. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And yeah, that's it for today, y'all. I hope you understand. Have a great day, and I'm gonna follow up shortly. And like we're going down for the day. I'm definitely gonna look to see a break of these lows possibly, but I want to see a nice little pullback, and might get in on that short, be able to get in on a nice like 2 to 1 on this trade as well. So I'll follow up with y'all shortly. If I can get like a 7, 8, 10 pips time stop loss, I can hit these lows and probably hold the trade for the rest of the day. Update y'all in another video if that is possible, but have a great day.